We're going to Edinburgh Castle. We're waiting for the big bus. We're going to ride the big bus 33 going to Edinburgh Castle. We are in the bus stop, Miller Hill. Malalaman yung weather base sa lumilipad naming buhok. Ganda ng mga puno. We are in Miller bus stop. Ayan na po, bus na sasakyan namin.
Gusto ni kasi sa ulihan namin na entertain siya.
Para kasi sa sasakyan lang. Then the water mask for sale.
Water?
Yan. Ganyan po yung bus.
Yan yung gusto ko.
Tourist bus na sinasakyan namin. Changing season. Autumn season now. Ongoing. Yung mga puno naglalagas na. Nag-i-start na siyang manilaw, maging brown, hanggang sa maglagas.
Kuya, bago ka pala umalis, kunin mo na yung mga pagkain ni Michael. Yung mga may expire.
Nakikita mo tong mga bahay na may chimenea sa television lang. Dito, usual na siya. Halos lahat ng bahay ay may chimenea. That's Michael, our friend. That is Don Lucas.
Diba, marunong na siya mag-zoom.
Yan yung action na natin dito.
May motor floor lang, may elevator.
Dito ano sila? Parang
May lift pala. Ito yung press na yung button hanggang makarating. Tayo na yan. Tsaka,
The town center, Edinburgh.
wait lang.
That is the castle. Kaya mo bang umakyat dyan? How many steps? Let me see if I can. Kumano? Oh, welcome sa Edinburgh.
oh, kasi wait lang.
Number 2, try to
When
stay
time is
good.
right, the Lord
Twice
will be
as deadly
open.
is
Umalis
thank
kami
you,
ng
juggling throwing knives.
Scotland.
And last but not least, the most
9
deadly, the
a.m.
most dangerous of them all.
Maliwanag ang araw. Nung pagdating namin dito by tourist bus, ulan in 20 minutes time na kumakain kami. Nandito na kami ngayon sa city proper.
It's okay, some of these jokes are just for me. It is a constant battle. Where in the world would we... Windy, so before I start, for my safety, I'm just going to take off my sweater, my jacket, because the other day I left my jacket on. I juggled fire, and my jacket turned into a blazer. They're not all good jokes. You get what you pay for. In this case, it was nothing so far. I put the sweater here, I put the torch here, and I set up the last thing that I have to do, then I start the show. Here in Edinburgh, as a street performer, the council allows us to do it here, but there are a few rules that we have to abide by. One of the council's rules is if you do anything dangerous in your show, like juggling fire and knives, is you just have to put out a bit of a safety perimeter. So I have these football markers here to do that. I'm on
Edinburgh Castle. It's on our way.